Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with another special paid for video courtesy of ACBC.com from FameBit, powered by YouTube. Check them out, link is going to be down below. This is not a shoe, this is a skin plus sole. This is supposed to be a crazy idea. I'm liking it. Look at that, that's how it's done with the zipper. You can change them around. Order some starter packs. They have men and women's. Really cool. ACBC. Alright, we'll go here. Shop all products. There's the women's. They got the pink, running, urban. There's the different ones you could choose. Like I said, if you have a bottom sole you like, and at the top you can order some different ones up, switch them around, kind of like that. That'd be a good casual around the house. There's some dress shoes. Okay, so you go like this, click on the shoe. And here's the size guide. A little bit different. I do believe they're from Italy. I do believe. So 9 up to size 12. I wear size 14, but I'll be doing an unboxing and a review once I get a pair in. So we'll definitely take a look. But as the sizes. So all I gotta do is click on it right there. And this for giggles. Try that right now. Show you how to do it. Boom. Then you can go here. 3D configurator. Pop some craziness up. I was messing around with it earlier, and it's smooth. Definitely something I wish it was around when I was a little younger. But definitely a good idea. Switch out the tops, keep the bottoms. Great for like bars if you go in promoting. Let's see. Select that. Now if you want to change the sole, go with the urban look. Boom. Get your backpack ready. Put some new shoes every second almost. There's running. Boom. And you can always change it. Like that. Always go back to, if you don't like that kind, but like I said, mess around with it, whatever fits your style. But there's little samples they have. Running, black. They got the pink, they got rose. This is a really cool idea though. Check them out. They did really good on crowdfundings and stuff. And I would definitely support them. Like I said, I can't wait to do the unboxing. Hopefully this month coming up. But they got a lot of cool shoes, soles. And there's like the dress shoes. If you're on a budget, this is definitely a good way to go. They got like a little starter packs. One sole, 2 skins. That. So there's your buying the pack, saves you $38. Choose different ones. There's that kind. You guys can see. It's really easy to put together. Just take the zipper. Boom. Switch them up. There's the females with the women's. Bada boom. Men's. And shop around. soles. Urban Black, you click on. That's what that looks like. Here's a little story. Especially in meetings, you could take this with you. School. There you go. So thank you guys at ACBC. Like I said, YouTubers, unboxing will be coming up soon. But if you guys want to jump ahead and make a purchase, go right ahead. Click the link down below and check them out yourself. And good luck to you. Be safe out there, and see you guys hopefully back tomorrow. If not, see you guys soon. See ya.